Hello. Today I will discuss a simple experiment. Today we will discuss a simple experiment with you. So this experiment is all about making a delicious salad. I hope all of you have enjoyed salad and have sufficient knowledge about what is salad. So let us see the things required for the preparation of salad. So in this period of lockdown, little bit help your mom to prepare a delicious salad with the help of these items, and request your mom to include some other things which she might find it suitable to include it in your delicious salad. So now let us see the items which you have to collect it at first for making a delicious salad. The things are moong and black gram, that means chana, pulses, dal. Next, that means the sprouts of moong and black gram chana. Next, cucumber, apple, orange, tomato, grapes, one boiled potato, cubes of paneer, fried bread cubes, roasted peanuts, pepper, honey or powdered jaggery, one lemon salt, and a bowl. One disclaimer is that without the guidance of your parents, don't do this experiment. So, your parents must be there with you. Take the proper guidance of your parents while you will prepare this nutritious. This is delicious and that is going to be nutritious also. So the items are clear to you, I hope. As per your choice, you can select some other or you can leave it if you doesn't find any one of them interesting. So the first methods, the wash the fruits, whatever the fruits are there, whatever the items are there, try to wash it at first. Then chop the apple. Chop the apple. Don't do it. You should not do it. Take the help of your parents. Request them to please chop these items for you. Apple, so you have to chop the apple, orange, cucumber, tomato, and boiled potato. So here also it has been mentioned that your guardian or teacher will help you. So as I cannot be there with you, so your guardian will definitely help you. Put them in a bowl, add the paneer cubes, mix them with the sprouts, add peanuts, lemon juice as per the taste, salt, little bit of salt, don't add too much of salt, pepper means kali mirch, honey, toss well, add fried bread cubes, serve it in a plate and enjoy. So this is a very simple preparation, try to do it. The salad we have prepared contains all the useful nutrients our bodies needs to stay healthy and strong. So we can say that it can be a balanced diet. Next, let us discuss raw food and cooked food. Raw food is the food that we eat without cooking. The food which we eat without cooking is called raw food. Examples: fruits are eaten raw. We also eat some raw vegetables such as tomato, cucumber, carrot, and onion. Some vegetables and cereals cannot be eaten without cooking. We need to cook them, otherwise, we will not be able to digest them. The foods which are easily digestible can be a raw food, and the food which cannot be digested easily, for that we have to cook it. We need to cook them, otherwise we cannot digest them. For example, we cook vegetables such as potato and cereals such as rice, wheat, maize, corn, etc. Some foods are more nutritious if we eaten raw. It is because the nutrients present in those food items are either destroyed or reduced during cooking. So now let us see which one we should eat raw and which one we should not. Take the vegetables that you can eat raw and cross the ones which we cannot. So at first we have potato. This one is not easily digestible, so you have to put it cross. We cannot eat raw. Next we have carrot. Yes, we can eat raw. Next, onion. Some of people like it and some don't like it. So generally we can. So you can give tick. Next, here we have tomatoes. Yes, we can. Again, it depends on the taste. Next is our brinjal. No, we cannot. Next, ground. No. Next, we have our mushrooms. No, we cannot eat. Next, I think these are the beans. No, we cannot. Next, cauliflower. Not. Cabbage cannot. Next, cucumber. Yes, we can. Next, we have capsicum. Some of them use capsicum in the salad, so we can eat, but not in a huge quantity. It should be included. It should not be in a huge quantity. A few of them people use cabbage also, little bit portion of cabbage, but in general consideration, I have given it cross. So we should not eat raw cabbage or cauliflower. So it vary from person to person as per the choice or taste. So now write down the names of the vegetables that can be eaten both raw as well as cooked. So carrot can be eaten raw as well as cooked. So here you can write down carrot, CARROT, carrot. Next you can write down tomato. Tomato. Next we can write down cucumber. So basically these three items are there which we can eat raw as well as cooked. Next we have to look into the important topic, that is our food wastage. Around the world a lot of foods gets wasted. There could be many reasons for it. A few of these are listed below. Those are: we buy more rations or groceries than we can consume in a given period of time. So this is one of the major reason for the wastage of food around the world. So better we should avoid it. Next, we cook more food than the required. The unused food is thrown away. So suppose there are four members in a family, two adults and two children. So as per the diet, as per the required mm, quantity we should cook the food. It should not be like this, we should cook food for 10 people and we have only 2 adults and 2 child in our home. So the remaining of the foods will be wasted or we have to thrown away. So we should be careful about it. How many adults and child are there in our house? Next, we take more food on our plate than we can eat. Generally, what we do that we request our mom to give me more, and more. But at the time when we start eating, after few ounces, we see that no, we cannot eat that much of food. So we throw away the leftover food. We should not do this. Food is not used within the expiry date. Some of the food packets hmm, has expiry date mentioned on it. So though if those are not consumed at a proper time in that manner, some of the foods are wasted. Next, food gets spoiled due to the improper storage. Some of the foods need proper storage. So if that is not kept in a proper storage, we have to throw it out. So these are the various possible ways in which we should save our food items. If we don't do these things in our life, so we can save food for millions of people. Next, prevent food wastage. The following steps can help us in reducing the food wastage. Access your grocery and need for a given period. Prepare a grocery list and shop as per the planned. So whenever you go for that grocery shop, so you should have a grocery list so that you should not buy the things which are not necessary or which are already there at your home. So take care of the grocery items which you have and which you have to purchase. Next, cook food only in a required quantity. Unused food, if any, can be stored and used later. If we do not want to use it, check if you can share it with someone, or you can also use it to feed animals. Suppose it happens that we have cooked little bit enough amount of food and members are not there to eat, so we can feed those to the animals or the pets. Next is our judge your appetite, that means bhook. So we have to eat as per our appetite. It should not be too much less or it should not be too much more. Take only as much food as you can. Keep checking your food stocks. Consume food items before the expiry dates. We should consume the food items before the expiry dates. Next, store food in airtight container. Store perishable food items in the refrigerator. Perishable food items means vegetables and fruits. Vegetables and fruits are called perishable food items. Mm. So today we have discussed the food wastage and the prevention of the food wastage. So again, I will be back with the next topic.